Good morning. Good morning to all. Today is my topic casting defect, and what is casting defect, and in this chapter we have to discuss different types of casting defect, and how can they occur, and what is the procedure to remove the defect, right? So now I will share the screen. Right. So this is our screen for the casting defect. One second. Yes. So first defect is, what is casting defect? Casting defect is an irregularity in a metal casting process that is undesired. It is sometimes to be tolerated, sometimes eliminated with proper molding practices or repair using methods such as welding, metallization, etc. There are many types of defects which result from many different causes. Some of the remedies to certain defects may be the cause for another type of the defect. So defect in a casting occur due to the various causes. Although it is quite difficult to establish a relationship between the defect and causes, casting defects are roughly broken into a four category. Uh, that is gas defect, molding material defect, pouring metal defect, and metallurgical defect. We will discuss one to one that defects, these defects, right? So this is a combined chart of defects. These all defects are occur in a casting, right? So one by one, we will discuss all types of defect that is occur and what is the remedies to remove these defects, right, and improve the quality. So first one defect is mismatch. As the name suggested that match is not properly, right? Match is not properly. So this defect is called casting defect. The casting that does not match at the parting line, the casting that does not match the parting line is known as mismatch or mold shift. Right? What is the causes? Worn out or bent clamping pin, misalignment of two half of the pattern, improper location and support of core, faulty core boxes, and loose dowels. So these are the causes that the mismatch defect is occur. And what are the remedy to remove that? Increase the strength of the mold and core, provide adequate support to core, proper alignment of two half of the pattern, proper clamping of the mold box, and repair or replace dual pin and push causing pin causing mismatch. So these are the remedy that we can take in our casting procedure. So this type of defect is not occur. Next one is mismatch. Misrun and cold set. What is a misrun and cold set? When the metal is unable to fill the mold cavity completely and thus leaves the unfilled cavity, it is called misrun defect. As the picture shows that when the metal is unable to come to fill the mold cavity, right? That diagram shows the molten metal is not completely filled the cavity. So this type of defect is occur. And what is the cold set? When the two metal extremely meeting in a mold cavity do not fuse together properly, causing discontinuity or weak spot inside casting, it is called cold set. Right. So this is the diagram where the two stream meeting of the mold cavity is not fused together. Right. So this types of defect is occur that is called cold set, and this is a misrun. Causes. What are the causes of misrun and cold set? Low pouring temperature, faulty gating system design, too thin casting section, slow and intermediate pouring, improper alloy composition, use of damaged pattern, lack of fluidity in a molten metal. So these are the causes that occur the misrun and cold set defects. what are the remedies, how they can remove, or how they cannot occur when we are using in a casting procedure. So remedies is smooth pouring with the help of monorail, properly transport mold during pouring, provide appropriate pouring temperature, and modify the getting system design. So these are the remedies that can take in our casting procedure so that misrin and cold set is not occur. What are the shrinkage? Next one is shrinkage cavity defects. So shrinkage cavity defect. Shrinkage cavity is void on a surface of the casting caused mainly due to uncontrolled and hazardous solidification of the metal. Shrinkage defect can split into two types: external shrinkage and closed shrinkage defect. External shrinkage and closed or internal shrinkage defects. What are the causes? As the diagram shows that as a shrinkage, right, the shrinkage cavity is not completely filled or not completely obtained position. Molten metal is completely not obtained the position due to the shrinkage, right? So what are the causes that shrinkage cavity have a gap, right? So inadequate and improper getting and rising system, too much high pouring temperature, improper chilling. So these are the causes. So what are the remedies? To ensure the proper directional solidification by modifying the getting, rising and chilling system, right? So if we can modify our getting and rising and chilling system, so shrinkage cavity does not occur. Next one is blowhole. Next effect is blowhole. As the diagram shows that balloon-shaped gas cavity caused by release of mold gases during the pouring are known as blowhole. Balloon-shaped gas cavity caused by release of mold gases during pouring are known as mold are known as blowhole. Causes: ramming is too hard. Causes: ramming is too hard. Core are not sufficiently baked. Core are not sufficiently baked. Excess moisture content. Low sand permeability. Excessive fine fineness of the sand grain. Rusted chills, chaplet and insert. Presence of gas producing ingredient. So these are the causes. When the ramming is too hard, that is the main causes of blowholes, because the gas is not removed properly, right? And they have gases have no direction for to remove, or gases have no way to remove from the mold cavity, right? So what is the remedies? Baking of pores properly, control of moisture content in a molding sand, use of rust free chill chaplet and inserted, provide adequate venting in a mold and core, ramming the mold less harder. So these are the remedies that can avoid the blowholes, right? So here we can stop our this defects, and this is the part 1, and we will discuss the part 2 for next casting defects, right? So thank you so much.